Genghis Khan. He lived 800 years ago, and he was one of the greatest and most powerful rulers in history. This is Genghis Khan. Born around the year 1162, near the border of Siberia and Mongolia, his name as a child was Temujin. Later, his people called him Genghis Khan because it means Great King. There were many nomadic tribes in the Central Asian steppe. Genghis Khan was the first person to bring together all these tribes. He started the Mongol Empire. He invaded many parts of China and Central Asia. Some people hated him and some people liked him. He was a great warrior and many people feared him and his army. However, Genghis Khan also brought an end to kidnapping and slavery, which were common in the tribes before his rule. He made important routes for trade, and the first postal service came from the Mongol Empire too. His empire became huge. Genghis Khan died in 1227 from injuries received after falling from his horse. His men buried him somewhere in Mongolia, but no one knows where his body is today. Genghis Khan conquered more than twice as much land as any other person in history. He brought Eastern and Western civilizations into contact. After his death, his children and grandchildren, including Grdae and Kublai, were also strong rulers. They made the Mongol Empire even bigger, taking control of Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and the rest of China.